All right, let's practice and continue from our last tutorial. So from our last tutorial, we created a circle here and we mirrored this circle using this center line. So this circle and the lower circle are actually connected. Okay, so you can see there's this blue marker here and then this blue marker here. That means that this whole object, when you point to the blue marker, it'll show you the objects that are mirrored over each other, and these two are mirrored. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect these two circles to this big circle, and we're going to just use line. And a circle has quadrants. So there's a quadrant here, there's a quadrant here, there's a quadrant here, and there's a quadrant here. And quadrants are always aligned either horizontally or vertically. Okay. So if you want to attach to this quadrant, you simply wait until it shows us a horizontal alignment. Okay. And then if we want to connect that to the circle, we can point to this quadrant here. And if we do that, we are connecting these two circles with a line, but they don't appear to be smooth. Okay, so that's a bad connection over there. So we don't want that. So let's undo and let's repeat our line and connect that to the quadrant here. And if you want it to be smooth connected to the circle, hover over the circle and wait until it shows us that symbol. Okay, so that symbol, I can't point to it. So simply click on that one. And this symbol here, select. This symbol here is what we call a tangent constraint. Okay, a tangent is a point where it meets, where two objects meet, and this point is actually perpendicular to the center of a curve. Okay, so this connection is actually a smooth connection compared to. Oops, let's just click this button over here to go back to the sketch view. Okay, and then zoom out, and then you can zoom back in. Now, if you look at this connection over here, that is a not a smooth connection. So we don't want that connection. Okay. And in order to fix that, what we're going to do is we're going to delete this horizontal alignment. Okay. So you make sure you're in select tool. When you click on this one, you can press delete in your keyboard and it will delete the horizontal alignment. Now you can fix the connection by picking on your constraint tangent, select the line, select the curve, and it should adjust one or the other to make them smooth. Okay, so now they have both of these tangent connection, and this other one here also has a tangent connection. So they're going to be a smooth connection now. All right. So next is I wanted to do the same thing on this side, but because I want them to be balanced and I created a center line, I don't need to repeat doing the tangent connections here. I can just simply select a line and then using the mirror command and select this to mirror left and right. I do also have this horizontal construction center line, so I can actually mirror the top and bottom. Okay, but I wanted to mirror them at the same time. So I'm going to hold my control and then select the other line. So these two green lines now are going to be mirrored. If I mirror and select the horizontal center line, it should now mirror everything. Okay. Now I can use the delete segment and then simply delete the segments I don't like. Now I have a smooth connection between my line and curve. Smooth connection between my line and curve, all using tangent constraint. Okay, so simply click OK. You can orbit and then you can use extrude, pull this down to make this flat shape. All right, so let's do that.